So he's come up with that technique of playing the ball a little bit low, but he's so good with the back foot. So for me, I quite enjoy the ball sterling technique. Just do worry where his bat comes from when the ball's coming back into him. So if you look at